Alright guys, welcome back, and today we'll be discussing the R axis mode, which is the read axis mode in um, Python, and what does it do. So let us start with the basic format of the syntax, of the file opening method, and it goes something like variable is equals to open, and then it will ask you to give you some directories name directory, and this will ask for the access mode. Now this is uh this is the syntax for the for opening a file, but you can also skip this part. But if you skip this part, what does it do? For example, f is equals to open. Let's say we have an example file, example.txt, and you do not give it any sort of mode. Of course, this will give us an error at first because there is no file as example.txt that exists. But let's just see. Yeah, see, f is equals to open, file not found. So let's just create a file. So now that we've created a file example.txt which exists in this directory, now if you run it will not give you any sort of error, and it will also not give you any output because even though we've accessed it in the read mode, it will not open the file for reading, because this read mode is basically just acknowledging the existence of the file. However, I will still give it the access mode because I do not want the file to get confused. But also we do not have any sort of text in this file, so let's just add some text. This is a video about file handling. And now if I open the file, and the correct way to open or read the content in a file is f.read, and now it should not give me any sort of error, and it should also print what's in that file. This is a video about file handling. So we know that even if you do not give this R, it will basically just acknowledge the existence of a file, and it did not give us any sort of output. So we know that the file exists, but it did not read the content for us. And in order to ask the compiler to read your contents for you, you'll have to give this syntax: print is equals to f dot read. You can also assign it to some sort of different variable. For example, text is equals to f dot read, and then you can just simply print the variable text, and it will do the same thing for you. Anyways, this is a video about file handling, but I think just putting this thing in a print is more easier thing to do. And that being said, we are done with the R mode in Python, and in one of those videos, after we've discussed W and A, we will discuss a bit, and we will manipulate the R plus or the W plus or the A plus mode as well, just to see what it does and how it's different. So that being said, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next.